Today on Discharge Networks, we have probably one of the most popular products on the market as far as tablets goes. We're looking at Amazon's FireHD tablet, but to be more exact, we're looking at the a bit less popular 8-inch version. The 7-inch one that is seriously cheap is ubiquitous, while the 10-inch version is, let's say, the standard when it comes to the cheap 10-inch tablet to get for home automation, for something that you won't be afraid to give your kids so they can break it, and similar. The 8-inch one though is something a tiny bit different. The standard FireHD packaging is what you expect, very flashy and meant to keep the costs down. And the main thing inside is of course the tablet itself with its 8-inch HD display, 32 gigs of storage in this tested model, with also the option of having a 64 gig model and expandable storage with up to 1 terabyte on a micro SD card, 2 gigabytes of RAM, a quad-core processor running at 2 GHz, and an up to 12-hour battery life. The specifications are far from impressive, but they're good enough for the price bracket, especially the fact that you get a 2 megapixel front and rear camera, you get dual speakers, support for Dolby Atmos, whatever that means in a 60-euro tablet, and a USB-C connector to be future-proof. The build quality itself is completely box standard. It doesn't feel bulletproof, but it doesn't feel that it'll break in our hands when using it, especially with the case that you can also get for just a bit more. Oftentimes people on the internet complain that you can't use the apps that are not included on the Amazon App Store. And just a quick pro tip here for all the novice users, you can always go and browse online and download the APK, so the installation file for Android, for the Google Play Store itself. So then you have the full lineup of all the millions of apps in the Android ecosystem on your fingertips. That's it as far as this quick unboxing of the FireHD 8 tablet goes. If you want to see a full review or want to see something different from Amazon, do let us know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching this unboxing on Discharge Networks.